this is a teaching video of my dance called Acoustic Friends. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level nightclub 2-step style line dance, which I will be covering all the steps, the restart and the tag itself on this video. So let's just jump into it. Weight is on the left foot. We'll start with the nightclub 2-step basic to the right, and we'll continue from there on. So we'll go side, rock and side, behind, turn, sweep, across, back, sway, 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 across, which is count number 1. Alright, now same thing with the numbers, so we'll go 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Now pick yourself up with the count 2, step right, left next to right, and step right forward for 3. We'll do a quick full turn over your right shoulder, so we'll go 4 and 5. We'll do a quarter turning sweep to the right for 6. We'll do a sailor step with the right foot for 7 and 8. We'll step left behind right for count, and we'll be starting the third set of 8 with a big step to the right for the nightclub 2-step basic. We'll go for 1 and then we'll go on for 2 and. So the second set of 8s, we've done just the sway, 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 cross for 1. Come back with 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Turn 6, 7 and 8 and 1. So the third set of 8 starts with the nightclub 2-step basics. So we'll go side, rock, back. We'll step left to the left side for 3. We'll step right behind left foot for 4. Turn and unwind over your right shoulder. Turn a little over a half turn forward. And we'll step left with a pivot turn, and we'll do a little lift on the right foot for 5. Step right to the side for count 6. We'll step left over right for, and we'll step right to the right side for 7. We'll do a back rock with the left foot for 8, and we'll turn a 1/4 to the right for the nightclub 2-step basic that we're next going to be stepping for 1. Okay, the third set of 8s, let's go from the top. The third set of 8s, so with the numbers it is 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, and then we'll go into the nightclub 2-step basic for 1. Now, the last set of 8s, we've done the turn, so weight is on the right foot. We'll step the left to the side, so we'll go for 1. We'll do a back rock for 2, and we'll continue stepping to your right diagonal for 3. Step forward for 4, step forward for 5, do a quick full turn over your right shoulder for 6 and 7, and then we'll do a 3/8 of a turn to your right foot with the sweep, turning yourself to the back wall, but keeping the weight on your left foot for 8, and you can start the dance all over from the top, going side for 1. Okay. So that is the first wall. I'll do the first wall with the counting, then I'll do the second wall with the counting, and then I'll go over the restart and the tag itself, and we'll be done. So, the first wall with the numbers, the weight is on the left foot. We'll start from the top, 7, 8. So it's 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, turn 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Diagonal steps, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Start again. Now, the back wall with the numbers, which might make it easier to comprehend the whole dance. Weight on the left foot, starting from the top, 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Turn 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, turn 8, start again. Okay. Now, like I said, on wall 2, we're going to be leaving out the 4 last steps. So restart comes on count 28, which is the count 4 on the last set of 8s. So we'll just do the knife up 2-step basic to the left, 1, 2, and we'll step right forward for 3, we'll step left forward for 4. We'll do 1/8 of a turn to the left, and we'll start the dance over from the top for 1. So you need to do a little modification, but as you can see, it is really not that bad. We'll just go for 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1. Now, after wall 5, we have a 4 count tag. So we've done the 5, 6, and 7, turn 8. We have 4 counts, like I said, and we'll just do 4 sways. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, start again from the top. And then we do have an ending, which is you have a one additional, you can do the end turn, a 3/8 of a turn, you'll do a little more, you'll do a 7/8 turn actually, so you'll be facing the front wall again. So once you've done the weight is on the right foot for 5, you'll go for 6 and 7, and from here you'll do a sweep that will turn you to the front wall for 8, and you're done. The dance ends there, and you can just do a little victory dance or whatever you want to do once the dance is complete. Now, for all you instructors out there, if for any of the turns you come up with something that will make it easier for your students, feel free to modify the steps so that everybody can enjoy it. You can replace some of the turns with just steps across or some such steps. Do it. You can always, or as the Palpatine would say, do it. But anyway, you can use any kinds of steps, a modification that will make it easier for your students so that everybody can enjoy this dance. It's not about who is the best, it's everybody having fun. So, that all being said, I'll get off my soapbox and just tell you that I hope you enjoy Acoustic Friends, and I hopefully see you in the next video.
I'll be there for you.